Hey guys, it's your girl Avon. Welcome back to my channel. Today's health information is on how to make chocolate ice cream option, and we're going to be talking about cocoa powder. Now, cocoa powder has neuroprotective effects. Cocoa powder contains large percentage of antioxidant molecules, mainly called flavonoids, and these stimulate blood supply to the brain. Now, cocoa powder also improves cognitive performance during aging. It lowers the risk of Alzheimer's disease and reduces the risk of stroke in humans. Cocoa powder has also been proven to promote brain cell survival against neurotoxins. Now, for this recipe, you only need 3 ingredients, which are 2 medium bananas, which contain about 210 calories. You also need 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, which contains about 30 calories, and you need 4 spoons of 100% cocoa powder, which contains about 40 calories. Now altogether, you can see we have about 280 calories, and with this batch that I'm making is going to give about 4 servings. Now, if you do the math, 1 serving is only about 70 calories. Now, this is a win-win situation. Eat something yummy, heal your body, heal your brain cells, feel rejuvenated and alert during the day, guys. Nothing beats this at all. Now, we're going to toast everything in the food processor or blender, whichever one you have, and we're going to give it a good blend for about 3 to 5 minutes. Today's verse is from Matthew 5 verse 7. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. Now pour everything in an airtight container and refrigerate it for about 4 to 6 hours, and your ice cream is ready.